Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering the printer and enabling Bluetooth on your device. Make sure the printer is discoverable. Open Loyverse and go straight to Settings, then Printers. Tap Add Bluetooth Printer. Once done, the app searches for nearby devices. Keep the printer within 1-2 meters and avoid interference from other radios. You're doing this to let Loyverse identify the exact model and its Bluetooth address, which is required to send receipts reliably and avoid pairing conflicts later. After the device appears, tap its name to pair. You may need to confirm a PIN or accept pairing on the printer. Once paired, return to Loyverse and select the same device entry, then configure paper width, encoding, and enable cutter commands or cache drawer pulse as needed. Make sure you set the printer role, for example, receipt versus kitchen, because Loyverse routes print jobs based on that role. This ensures correct routing and avoids sending tickets to the wrong printer. Finish by printing a test receipt from Loyverse so you can confirm alignment, encoding, and cutter behavior. If it doesn't print, first toggle Bluetooth and restart your mobile device and the printer, then repair. This resolves most handshake failures. If problems continue, check battery level, update printer firmware and the Loyverse app, and verify the printer's language/encoding matches your settings. One key troubleshooting tip: interference or another paired device often blocks prints. Temporarily disable other Bluetooth connections while testing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.